guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be doing an install on Andy's RCF. We purchased carbon fiber front lip and side skirts for the RCF. I'm probably not going to go too crazy into it. I know we're going to have to do some drilling to mount these because when they were made there was no pre-drilled holes. As you can see right there, they look super fresh. Super nice weave. This is what I was talking about. We have to drill these holes in to the mounting point on the bumper. Looks okay, to be honest. I think it's made out of fiberglass with a carbon fiber overlay. Same thing with the side skirts, as you can see there. I will admit I'm a little concerned about putting these on. I'm just hoping I can find the right point to drill. Worst case, we'll just drill a big hole and use washers in the screws to put it on. We're also going to use double-sided tape. Hopefully this will be an easy install. I'm not going to go too crazy into it. Like I said, we're going to get the car in. We're probably going to do the front lip first. And, oh crap, it's going to be a lot of work. Alright, so first thing we're going to do is the front, I think. You want to just do the front first? Yeah, we're going to do the front first, so we're going to jack it up on the side and get started. Okay, so it turns out when we're going to line this up, the two middle tabs line up to the bottom OEM screw holes, pretty centered, but on the left and right side, closest or furthest from the center, you have to drill a little bit closer to the edge of the bracket, which kind of sucks. I wish they would have added more material. So, but let me show you what it looks like mounted. There's my brother Taps holding onto it on this side. There's Andy on this side. How's the fitment? It looks pretty good, right? Yeah, it's pretty snugged in there. If you wanted to, you could run a weather strip. Probably get like a Honda one or something, but this looks pretty good. So now I'm gonna take it off, drill some holes, and we're gonna try to put it back on. Hello, it's my face. It's me. Alright, so we have a kind of a detour. We're gonna go ahead and wrap the grill gloss black before we put the lip on because the lip actually sticks to the grill with the double-sided tape. So let's wrap this thing gloss black and see how it looks like. Alright, so camera died or something like that. I don't know, it just didn't record. So we are done. Oop, there we go. Completely murdered out now. So now we're gonna put the lip on because it's not on yet. After a very long night, we actually finished putting on the front lip, and we finished wrapping the grill as well as putting on these side skirts right there. Take a closer look on the skirts. Really nice and subtle. It did use a couple of OEM clips and tabs, so that's good. This one as well, reused all the OEM mounting points. And here's the other side. Car looking really mean and nice now. Another shot of the front end with the blacked out grille. He also put a black sticker on the emblem, make it look a lot meaner. We're gonna try to get this car off the piece of wood because the skirts kind of dropped it down like almost 2 inches, so it was really risky. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish this off. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you really like this car, this RCF, and where it's progressing to, please hit the like button, subscribe if you're a new viewer, leave a comment if you're loving the USB on the RCF with the carbon fiber accent. I'm really digging the chrome delete, it looks really good. But now we're gonna go ahead and take this car off these pieces of wood.